There's a land where nature and culture meet. A heritage zone that soars in rich blue. The journey unfolds in the middle of the forest, the sea and the memories. Quảng Nam Green Heritage. A blue jewel in the middle of the sea, where the waves beat with the waves. Bay Mo Nipa Palm Forest, where the basket boats carry the laughter, glowing with the whisper of the wind. There are values that are not measured by time. A quiet Hoi and wearing the ball of time, where the old town kept its mark for hundreds of years. A mysterious Mai So, the ancient civilization, with vestiges of the old Kampa kingdom. Than Ha, where brown soil turns into shape, carrying the breath of talented hands. A delicate needle with antique carving art, preserved through many lives at Kimbong Carpentry Village. Truckyu Vegetable Village, with green sprouts cared for with love and dewdrops every morning. Quảng Nam, where nature and culture blend together. There are steps back to the forest, across the red dirt roads, listening to the untamed beats of nature. On top of cinnamon touching the clouds, listen to the wind whisper. Give you a complete feeling when coming to Hoi An. Bliss Hoi and Beach Resort and Wellness offers a variety of luxury escape packages. The resort combines modern elegance with traditional Hoi and charm. Experience the craft village to explore nature and culture, participating in the colorful festivals. Meeting warm people. Enjoy the exquisite taste of Quang cuisine, together in the blue and white sand sea. And above all, become part of the green travel journey. Quảng Nam creates a sustainable future. Visit quangnam.com. Quảng Nam Green Heritage is waiting for you.